So, hello everyone, let us now discuss this question, course schedule 4. So, here we are given with courses which starts from 0 and ends with n minus 1. That means we are given with n courses. Now, in order to do course 0, we need to do course 1. Now, we are also given with queries. Does it require course 0 to do course 1? Does it so? No, right? And does it require course 1 to do course 0? Yes. So it will be true, and for this it will be false. If I take a clear example for you, in order to go for TOPO sort, you need to know about DFS, right? So that's how this map structure or the graph structure will be. Now, the same question is, in order to do TOPO sort, you need to do DFS. Is it so? Yes, it is true. In order to do DFS, you need to know about TOPO. Does it so? Not, because you doesn't have an edge from TOPO to DFS. So here it will be false. Now let me take another example. Here, if you see, to do course 0, you need to do course 1. To need to do course 2, you need to do course 0. Right. So to need to do course 2, you also need to do this course 1. So you need to come from here to here and then here. Let me take the same example. So if I take array to stack and then graphs, you need to do arrays first and then to stacks and then graphs. If I say in order to do stacks, you need to do arrays, right? It is correct. And in order to do graphs, you need to do arrays. Does it so? Yes, because array comes before the graphs in this direction or in this path. So what I do is I start from the destination. I start from the destination and I will make these graphs construct in a reverse way in the top sort algorithm. That means I'll start from the destination and eventually search for the source. So at graphs, I search for arrays in my path using BFS. So this is how I solve this problem, and this will take like we go of n plus m time complexity, and like we are only storing the graphs, so the space complexity like we go of n. So the first thing the algorithm goes like, the first thing which I will be doing is the first thing construct graph in reverse order. That means in prerequisites, if it is given 0 to 1, then construct 1 to 0. Now after that, what will be doing? After that, we'll be iterating through our queries. Iterating through our queries. Then in these queries, we will be having a source and destination. Now the thing is, I'll start my BFS from the destination and search for the source. So I will use the adjacency list as I am constructing this graph in an adjacency list. So it will be named as adjacency list. After that, if I got a true, then answer of this query, answer will be pushback. Answer will be pushback true, or else it will be false. So this is how you solve this problem, and if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to it. Thanks.